Assalamu alaikum friends. The waiting hours are over. Easy language. Learn the English language in just 12 days. Only 12 days course. For all students. Anytime and anywhere. Lesson number 2. Past continuous tense. Past continuous tense introduction, definition, rules, formula, key points, uses with verb, go, and object, home. Introduction. The past continuous tense describes ongoing actions in the past. Definition. It expresses actions that were in progress at a specific point in the past. Rules. 1. Using, was, for I plus singular subjects and, were, for plural subjects. 2. Using the verb first form plus ing. Remember that there are 4 types of each tense. Simple positive, simple negative, interrogative positive, interrogative negative. Formula. 1. Simple positive. Subject plus was were plus verb first form plus ing plus object. 2. Simple negative. Subject plus was were plus not plus verb first form plus ing plus object. 3. Interrogative positive. Was were plus subject plus verb first form plus ing plus object. 4. Interrogative negative. Was were plus subject plus not plus verb first form plus ing plus object. 1. Past continuous simple positive tense. Formula. Subject plus was were plus verb first form plus ing plus object. For example. 1. He was going home. 2. She was going home. 3. It was going home. 4. I was going home. 5. We were going home. 6. You were going home. 7. They were going home. Key points. 1. Describes ongoing past actions. 2. Uses, was, for I plus singular subjects and, were, for plural subjects. 2. Past continuous simple negative tense. Formula. Subject plus was were plus not plus verb first form plus ing plus object. For example. 1. He was not going home. 2. She was not going home. 3. It was not going home. 4. I was not going home. 5. We were not going home. 6. You were not going home. 7. They were not going home. Or, in informal speech. 1. He wasn't going home. 2. She wasn't going home. 3. It wasn't going home. 4. I wasn't going home. 5. We weren't going home. 6. You weren't going home. 7. They weren't going home. Key points. 1. Describes ongoing past actions that didn't happen. 2. Uses, was not, for I plus singular subjects and, were not, for plural subjects. 3. Past continuous interrogative positive tense. Formula. Was were plus subject plus verb first form plus ing plus object. For example. 1. Was he going home? 2. Was she going home? 3. Was it going home? 4. Was I going home? 5. Were we going home? 6. Were you going home? 7. Were they going home? Key points. 1. Asks questions about ongoing past actions. 2. Using, was, for I plus singular subjects and, were, for plural subjects. 4. Past continuous interrogative negative tense. Formula. Was were plus subject plus not plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Or, wasn't weren't plus subject plus verb first form plus ing plus object. For example. 1. Was he not going home? 2. Was she not going home? 3. Was it not going home? 4. Was I not going home? 5. Were we not going home? 6. Were you not going home? 7. Were they not going home? Or, 1. Wasn't he going home? 2. Wasn't she going home? 3. Wasn't it going home? 4. Wasn't I going home? 5. Weren't we going home? 6. Weren't you going home? 7. Weren't they going home? Key points. 1. Asks questions about ongoing past actions that didn't happen. 2. Using, was not, for I, plus singular, subjects and, were not, for plural, subjects. Today's lesson is over. I would like to ask permission now. We will meet again in the next lesson. Insha Allah. If you liked this video, be sure to like and subscribe to Fountain of Knowledge MI channel for new content.